Hey babies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm using PUR's Cosmetics Festival palette. This is the first time that I use a product from the brand PUR, excuse me. And this is their festival palette that I got in my BoxyCharm subscription, guys. It says that it's a 12-piece pressed pigment palette, so all the shadows should be really pigmented, being so it's a pressed pigment, not just a shadow. So these are how the colors look in the palette right here. It's very tropical like to me. This is like tropical bronzy like, and it has little pops of color. I really like this palette. The colors are really pigmented. The quality of the palette was really good. Had minimum it wasn't very messy. I can't even get it out. The colors that I gravitated towards for this look right here was All Night, Hidden Desert, Sunset, and then I top Sunset off with Good Vibes. And that's how I came up with the look right here, guys. I really like how this look came out. This is a full face makeup tutorial today, guys. If you want to see how I got this look, just please keep on watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you don't have BoxyCharm, like BoxyCharm is the plug. Like BoxyCharm, when I receive my box, it's at least 2 or 3 things in the box that I absolutely love for my skin tone. You can just go on the website, customize your order, and they will send you products that kind of cater to what you filled out on your little questionnaire. And like, I get a lot of good products from BoxyCharm, so I just wanted to say that too, because over the months I've been like collecting some. So I don't want to veer off too much, but if you want to see how I got this look, guys, just stay tuned, guys. Hey babies, we're jumping right into this. We're just going to clean up the brows a little bit with my ColourPop concealer in Deep 60 Golden. I'm using a Sedona Lace synthetic brush. I actually love this brush for cleaning up my concealer or just applying anything to the lid. These brushes are inexpensive. They're good for me. And then I'm taking whatever is left on the brush and I went over the top of my lid. Now I'm priming my lid for eyeshadow, and I'm using my Makeup Revolution, I want to say C11 concealer. This is another inexpensive concealer that I love, even though ColourPop is my favorite concealer for right now. Makeup Revolution is number 2. So now I'm going to set my concealer with a translucent setting powder. I think I'm using my Beauty Bakery setting powder. You can use any setting powder to set your concealer to prep your eyes for your foundation. For your eyeshadow. Ooh, getting ahead of myself. I'm going in with this PUR's Cosmetics palette, and I think the first shade that we're going to go in with is going to be Hidden Desert. It's going to be like an orangey brick color, and we're just going to place that all in the crease and pat motions, and then we're going to just blend that baby right on out. I got this palette in my BoxyCharm, and I'm really not mad at this palette. Like, this palette is really good. It's a 12 eyeshadow, it's a 12 pan pressed pigment eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go in with Epic, and I'm just going to blend out the edges of that crease color just to make sure it's seamless. I'm just going to blend that right on out. Then we're going to go in with All Night. All Night is just going to give us some depth. We're just going to go into our outer V. We're going to place that color and just blend it out. All the colors in this palette, the eyeshadows in this palette, was really good color payoff for me. The eyeshadow palette is really durable. It comes with a mirror. Travel friendly. It's like that cardboard, that thick cardboard material. I like to travel with palettes like this. So we're just placing and we're just blending that eyeshadow color, that chocolatey color. And then we're going to cut our crease. And we're going to use our C11 Makeup Revolution concealer. And now we're just going to apply our first shimmery shade, and it's going to be Sunset. And we're just going to pat that all over the lid. And then we're just going to blend that into that outer V with no extra product. And we're just going to blend our life away, people. I think I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to finish the other eye and apply some foundation and stuff, and I'll be right back. So we're going to go in, guys. I think for now, I've been using for foundation is my Becca Cream Complexion in Sienna. I'm going to apply my ColourPop concealer to conceal in the places that I want to highlight here. And then I'm going to just blend it out and then set it with the translucent setting powder. You can use any powder you want to use. I'm going to contour, guys. I think I use my Fenty Beauty Espresso contour stick. And I'm just blending it out. And then I'm using my Fenty Cocoa Naughty just to set the contour. And then I'm using the same Cocoa Naughty just to contour my nose a little bit with the powder. I'm going in with this Becca highlighter, and I'm going to apply that first to the high points of my cheek. I'm just going to place it lightly and build it up, because these Becca highlighters can get out of hand really fast. So I'm just going to place it lightly and then just build it up. And then I'm going in with the Snowfall collection from MAC, and I'm going in with this highlighter, and I'm just going to place that right on top of that Becca highlighter. I'm going in and I'm setting my face with my Cover FX pressed powder and N90. And I'm just going in with a fluffy brush, and I'm going back to the eyes, and I'm just going to apply whatever I put in my transition, whatever I put in my crease color and as my transition color just to my lower lid. I'm going to do a wing eyeliner. I'm using NYX gel liner. It's a brown liner, and I'm using this Dosa Color angle liner brush, which is really bomb. I have to get another one. I didn't know that this brush was so bomb. This is the first time I'm using it. Even though this liner doesn't really look brown to me, it is brown, guys. I don't know why it looks like it's like black or something, but it is brown. But that liner brush is everything. First time me using one. I'm going in with BFF3 from ColourPop times Makeup Shayla, and I'm going to apply it to the lips. I'm going in with a Huda liquid lipstick. I forgot the name. It came like in a mini collection. I'm just going to apply that all over my lips. And then I'm going back in with BFF3 just to line my lips a little bit more and blend that chocolate color into my liquid lipstick. I'm going in with this lip gloss that I got out of my BoxyCharm just to try it out, because I think I want like a glossy lip. It'll be my first time trying it. BoxyCharm is the plug, people. Yeah, I like that lip gloss. It was a real good topper for that shade. Yes, I like. She like. Yes, y'all see it. this is the completed look, guys. I hope you guys like this tutorial I did. I really recommend this PUR cosmetic palette. If you're not subscribed to the channel, guys, please subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Mwah!